Number 1. Pufferfish. The pufferfish, also referred to as fugu fish, blowfish or globefish, are the second most poisonous vertebrate on Earth, next to the tiny golden poison frog from Colombia. The toxin responsible for the pufferfish's baby deadly character is tetrodotoxin. 2 members of a family have died in Guyana today because of consuming this fish. Number 2. Hippopotamus. Hippos are the most dangerous mammal in Africa. They are incredibly aggressive and territorial, and when coupled with their complete unpredictability, hippos are responsible for more human deaths than any other mammal in Africa. Hippos are not good prey because of their imposing size. However, brave lions, crocodiles and hyenas will bring down the herds weaker or younger. One of the common hippo defences is to stay together in a pack, which makes for an impossible challenge to predators. Another is to get into deep water where hippo babies seem to feel safer. Number 3. Platypus. The platypus, also called duckbill, is a small amphibious Australian mammal noted for its odd combination of primitive features and special adaptations, especially the flat, almost comical bill that easily observes thoughts of a duck sewn into the body of a mammal. Just because they are a little peculiar doesn't mean you shouldn't let your guard down. They are more dangerous than they seem. The male platypus has a spur on its hind foot that contains venom, which is lethal enough to kill a dog. The young baby platypus sucks milk from special mammary hairs and remains protected in the burrow, suckling for 3 to 4 months before coming independent. Number 4. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are big, fast and formidable fighters. While these horned beasts are potentially very dangerous, they generally prefer to keep to themselves. Despite that attitude, rhinoceroses are no pacifists, and when they feel threatened, they'll steer their large, dangerous bodies directly towards a fight. Unfortunately for the rhinoceros, his sense of sight isn't particularly strong. If anything, though, this makes him more dangerous, not less. Since he can't rely on his eyes to identify whether someone or something in his territory represents a threat, his reactions can be unpredictable. Even a benevolent visitor that the rhinoceros doesn't recognise may seem threatening, leading him to charge in preemptive self-defence. You might expect them to use their horns as weapons, but they use their lower incisors, as well as their formidable size and speed. An incensed rhino can knock over a vehicle with people inside. Number 5. Box jellyfish. They may not look dangerous, but the sting from a box jellyfish could be enough to send you to Davy Jones' locker, a watery grave that is. Box jellyfish babies, named for their body shape, have tentacles covered in biological booby traps known as nematocysts, tiny darts loaded with poison. People and animals unfortunate enough to be injected with this poison may experience paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death within a few minutes of being stung. But don't choose the mountains over the ocean just yet. Of the 50 or so species of box jellyfish, also called sea wasps, only a few have venom that can be lethal to humans. While box jellyfish babies are found in warm coastal waters worldwide, the lethal varieties are found primarily in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. Number 6. Poison dart frogs. Poison frogs are known for their bright, vivid colours. You can find them just about any colour combination you can think of. The colours you're likely to see include red, black, yellow, green, blue, gold, copper, orange, silver and pink. These flashy colours make poison frog babies stand out, but that doesn't make them easy prey. Instead, their colouring is a defence mechanism that protects them from predators. Their bright colours serve as a warning that their skin is poisonous, so it's best not to eat them. To easily be seen by potential predators, poison frogs are diurnal, which means they're mainly active during the day. Some species are not toxic at all. Most poison frog baby species are considered poisonous but not deadly. The poison in their skin can cause swelling, nausea, and paralysis if touched or eaten without being fatal. A few species, however, are considered to be almost the deadliest animals on Earth. For example, the golden poison dart frog has especially toxic skin with enough poison to kill as many as 10 grown men. Number 7. African lions. Responsible for an estimated 200 deaths per year, the African wild's apex predator, the lion, is one of the world's top predators. While humans are not their natural prey, an estimated 200 people are killed by lions each year. On the other hand, lion cubs stay with their mothers for about 2 years, by which stage they have joined the pride's hunting trips. After 1 or 2 years of nomadic life, these young males drive out the resident males of pride and take over the females. So we could say that cubs are not as dangerous as adult lions until they begin their hunting time. Number 8. Boomslang Snakes. Boomslang is one of the few colorbrid species that is decidedly dangerous to humans. This moderately slender snake grows to about 1.8 metres in length and occurs in savannas throughout sub-Sahara Africa. When hunting, it lies in wait in a bush or tree for chameleons and birds. The forepart of the body often extends motionless into the air. Its body and eye colour are extremely variable, and camouflage is excellent. In defence, the boomslang inflates the neck, showing the dark skin between the scales, and then strikes. It is rear-fanged, but the fangs are set relatively far forward in the mouth. The venom causes hemorrhages and can be fatal to humans in small amounts. Boomslang babies are as poisonous as fully grown boomslangs. Still need to learn more about animals? Check out the link to our playlist in the description below. See you in our next video.